Creating and managing commission for 5%. Waiter commission within Unity Enterprise. From the Springboard menu, select Employees. Then go to Earnings and Deductions. We will now create the setup for 5% Waiters Commission. Click on Name and enter the name 5% Waiters Commission. Click on Event and select when you want the commission event to occur. Click on Pay In or Pay Out. Select Pay In if the employee is paying in money, or select Pay Out if the employee is receiving money. Click on Active to enable this commission setting. If there's a cap on the commission, set the maximum amount. Click on Pay Reason and choose the commission 5% waiter. Now we will add an action by clicking on the plus icon to add an action. In Calculation, select your preferred option for how the earnings should be calculated. In Calculation Type, you will select the preferred calculation type. Next, in Calculation Value dot, enter the specific percentage. Now click on Maximum Amount and enter the preferred maximum amount. Time to define conditions. Conditions dictate when the commission earning applies. This might include specific sales targets, service types, or employee designations. We start by clicking on Description, where we enter a descriptive name. Next, we click on Condition Type and select Designations. Now click on Designations and select Bartender. Click Submit. You can set up as many conditions as required. Click on the plus icon again to set up another condition. Follow the next 5 steps. Step 1. Click on the description and enter a descriptive name. Step 2. Click on Condition Type and select Payment Methods. Step 3. Click on Payment Methods and select the required payment methods. Step 4. Click Submit again. Step 5. Click on the tick icon to save. You have now successfully set up and configured commission within Unity Enterprise.